Absolutely no complaints on the weather front. It's an ideal day for football here in Dortmund at the Iduna Park. I'm Derek Ray. My co-commentator is the former Arsenal fullback Lee Dixon, and we should have a pulsating game of football for you. So many storylines, Lee.
Hi, Derek, thank you. Well, both managers will be reminding their players how important it is to start off the game really quickly. Really attack the opposition, put them on the back foot, see what comes of that. Hopefully we get a good game.
And introducing the Borussia Dortmund side, Roman Bürki gets the nod in goal. Mats Hummels starts with Dan Axel Zagadou in the fullback positions. Julian Brandt plays alongside Axel Witsel in central midfield. And it's an interesting looking attacking constellation with three forwards listed from the start. And now they get the ball rolling. Oh, nice ball. Hakimi. Teammates in the middle. And up for grabs off the keeper. Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. Played into the centre of the box. Just couldn't capitalise there. And Julian Brandt. And teammates to play it to. He succeeds in clearing it. Alexandro now. Ramsey. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bernardeschi. Alexandro. Bernardeschi. And they'll have to throw it back in play. Federico Bernardeschi. Well, not really a shooting moment he's going to be especially proud of, Lee.
Well, he did have other options, but he thought, you know what, I'm just going to have a go.
Well, it's unavoidable. We always have to talk up Cristiano Ronaldo on the big stage. Lee, for you, what does he do especially well?
Everything. There's no weakness in his game. He's
excellent vision. Well, there is a very alert goalkeeper for you. And Witsel with it. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Witsel. Still pushing. Oh, a lovely ball. And Rice is in the thick of it. Attending to his defensive chores. Now Matuidi. Matuidi. Bernardeschi. Ramsey. Fluency of movement. Shot attempted. Meat and drink to Roman Bürki. Good control under pressure. Well, possession ceded. Alexandro. It did take a touch on the way through, hence a corner. Pjanic firing it over. It didn't happen for them. They couldn't maintain possession. Guerreiro. It's with Guerreiro. The ball with Marco Reus. Well, just couldn't keep the ball. A foul it most certainly was. Free kick given. Foiling them effectively. Pjanic. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Can't miss, surely! You'll be hard-pressed to see many better saves than that. Roman Bürki. Corner delivered by Miralem Pjanic. Now Matuidi. Passing it around, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Well, he stopped them just when they looked menacing. Advantage, Borussia Dortmund. Well, far from a smooth challenge. Now, will the referee produce a card? Bonucci, not quite the perfect tackle, and a booking.
Well, sometimes you're just a little bit slower than the player you're playing against, and that was on that occasion.
Hummels. Lukasz Piszczek with it.
Well, it's deadlock. Could be a mistake. Could be a moment of magic. Surely someone will take this game by the scruff of the neck.
Well, it was pretty straightforward for the goalkeeper. Ramsey. Now Matuidi. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, it was read so beautifully by Hummels. Well, he went strongly into the challenge, and the result is a throw-in. Witsel. Good vision. Can he get onto this? Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Given away. Brandt. Hakimi. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. The delivery towards the back post. Well, clattered away. Ramsey. Pjanic. Matuidi. It's with Dybala. Bernardeschi. Happy to pass the ball, but remaining patient. Chiellini. Here's Ronaldo. Mastery of the passing game. Ramsey. Pjanic. Here's Matuidi, and slipped through beautifully. What a vital intervention. Played into the centre of the box. And nothing positive. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here.
Eh sì, sono proprio io. E io quando voglio il piacere di una gomma speciale, scelgo Happydent.
Certo, perché Happydent è il chewing gum che non attacca i denti.
Be happy with Happydent.
Il cinema al cinema, il cinema in TV. E questo mese Chuck fa Chuck su 22 pagine dedicate all'home video e cinema in TV. Ritornano gli Yuppies. Auguri di buon anno da Chuck con il calendario 87 Cattivi soggetti. Chuck, la rivista italiana tutta di cinema.
El sabor del encuentro.
The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Pjanic. Bonucci. Pjanic now. Cuadrado. Matuidi. Khedira. An important interception. Good use of advantage for Dortmund. The cross is on. Clattered away. Matuidi. Khedira. Now Matuidi. Cuadrado. Khedira. It's with Dybala. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Now Cuadrado. And thrusting through the gears, Juan Cuadrado. Well, the keeper certainly didn't want to gamble with that, and a corner it'll be. Well, we always like to assess how things are going for Cristiano Ronaldo. A case of could do better, Lee.
Well, it's not been a great first half of football as far as he's concerned. He seemed a little bit sluggish to me, Derek. Easy for the back line to pick him up. Needs more movement.
And delivered by Pjanic. Now, can he deliver accurately? Matuidi. Now Cuadrado. He's playing with purpose as well as control. Cuadrado. Khedira. Pjanic. And return to Ronaldo. A case of foiling the opposition by whatever means. Can he give them the lead? Top quality goalkeeping from Roman Bürki. Corner kick played over. The opening goal. Due reward for their efforts.
Well, they've made the pressure count. They really deserve this lead. Well, it's almost a perfect headed goal. Brilliant delivery into the danger area. Good movement, back of the net.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. One 0 then. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Individual quality coming to the fore. It did appear that they might be onto something, but not so. Alexandro. So a throw in here. And Dortmund will go to the bench. It's with Bentancur. Dybala. Bonucci. Khedira. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. They've won back possession. Brandt with it. Hakimi. Strong play here on the shielding front. Ramsey. Khedira. Oh, nice ball over the top to chase. And it is substitution time at this juncture, not just from one side, but from both. Well, it's come down to the final 20 minutes here. They've lost it. Bentancur. Danilo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Pjanic. Dybala. Well, they're keeping their opponents moving and guessing. Khedira. Hakimi.
Well, listen to that crowd. They feel an equaliser. Can Dortmund produce?
Dahoud. Hazard. And Götze in the middle. Pjanic. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bentancur with it. Can they switch to an even higher gear? It's with Bentancur. Well, he's lost the ball.
Wow, just feel the energy from these Dortmund supporters. Can they urge their team back into this game?
Hummels. Dahoud. Effective challenge. attempting to play catch-up in this second half. Lee, what ought the priorities to be?
Well, the game is tight, isn't it? I'm sure Dortmund will feel there's one more goal out there. More pressure.
Khedira! The keeper gets in the way. Another goal from this corner would in all likelihood secure victory. Pjanic firing it over. Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. Well, with 5 minutes remaining and just one goal between them, still the prospect of late excitement in this match. Alexandro. And after the cross, a tremendous block. Can they hit on the break? Now with Hakimi. Marco Reus. This might pay dividends. And this time, it's in. Well, the offside flag has been raised. No goal.
Well, it was close, but he just went a little bit too early.
And the referee is going to add on 3 minutes. Hummels is with Dahoud. Lukasz Piszczek with it. Well, the fans enjoyed that pass. They have to be bold, Borussia Dortmund, in these circumstances. A cross lacking guile and accuracy. Pjanic. That's it, the referee brings the action to an end.